The daily habits of self-made millionaires. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something incredibly impactful, the daily habits of self-made millionaires. Did you know that 80% of millionaires attribute their success to daily habits? That's right, it's often the small, consistent actions we take every day that can have a profound impact on our financial future. And we're not talking about trust fund babies or lottery winners here. We're talking about people who built their wealth from the ground up through diligence, discipline, and determination. If you've ever wondered what sets these successful individuals apart, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Understanding wealth, more than just luck. First, let's clear up some common misconceptions about wealth. Many people think that getting rich is all about luck or having a brilliant idea that takes off. While luck and good ideas can play a role, wealth is more often the result of consistent, small actions accumulated over time. The path to financial success is paved with daily habits that compound over the years. Changing habits can be challenging because our brains are wired to resist change. However, we'll show you how these millionaires overcame these challenges and stayed committed to their goals. 1. The power of goal setting. Let's start with the first habit, goal setting. Self-made millionaires don't just daydream about success, they set clear, specific goals. For example, instead of vaguely wanting to be rich, they might set a goal like, I want to save $100,000 in 2 years. This specificity helps them focus their efforts and track their progress. Clear goals provide direction and a sense of purpose, making it easier to stay motivated and on course, even when challenges arise. By breaking down large goals into smaller, actionable steps, they create a roadmap for success. 2. The early bird habit. Next up is the early bird habit. Many self-made millionaires are early risers, often waking up at 5 or 6 a.m., even on weekends. This habit isn't necessarily about the exact hour, but about creating a consistent routine that gives them a head start. Early mornings provide quiet, uninterrupted time to plan the day, exercise, or work on personal projects. It's a time to set intentions and align oneself with the day's goals, ensuring productivity and focus. The calm of the morning allows for strategic thinking and setting priorities for the day ahead. 3. Commitment to continuous learning. Successful people never stop learning. They have an insatiable curiosity and a deep desire for knowledge. They read books, attend seminars, and seek out mentors. For instance, Warren Buffett spends about 80% of his day reading. You don't need to go to such extremes, but setting aside time each day for learning can significantly enhance your skills and knowledge base. Whether it's through books, podcasts, or courses, continuous learning helps keep you ahead in your field and opens up new opportunities. This commitment to learning is a common trait among the wealthy, as it fuels innovation and adaptability. 4. Mastering the art of saying no. One of the most underrated habits of self-made millionaires is their ability to say no. They are masters at prioritizing and focusing on what truly matters. This might mean turning down a night out to work on their business plan or declining a project that doesn't align with their goals. It's about making conscious choices that serve your long-term objectives. Saying no can be difficult, but it's essential for staying focused and avoiding distractions that can derail your progress. This discipline allows them to allocate their time and energy to activities that have the greatest impact. 5. Living below your means. Another crucial habit is living below your means. Many millionaires drive modest cars and live in average homes. They understand the importance of saving and investing over splurging on luxury items. This doesn't mean they never enjoy life. Rather, they are intentional about their spending, ensuring that their lifestyle choices align with their financial goals. It's about making smart financial decisions and avoiding unnecessary debt, which can limit financial freedom. By keeping their expenses in check, they are able to invest more and grow their wealth over time. 6. The power of networking. Successful individuals know that relationships are key to success. They make it a priority to connect with others in their industry and beyond. This could be as simple as attending a local business meetup or joining a professional organization. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and knowledge sharing. It's not just about what you know, but who you know. Building a strong network can provide support, resources, and insights that are invaluable on the path to success. Networking also helps in staying updated with industry trends and gaining new perspectives. 7. Consistency, the glue that holds it all together. All these habits only work if practiced consistently. It's not about being perfect every day, but about being consistent over the long term. Consistency is like compound interest. It might not seem significant day to day, but over time, the results are substantial. Just as small, regular deposits grow into a large sum through compound interest. Consistent positive habits compound to create significant personal and professional growth. Consistency builds momentum, making each successive step easier and more impactful. The cumulative effect of daily habits. Think about it like compound interest. Small actions, repeated consistently, can lead to significant results over time. This principle applies to financial growth, personal development, and building successful habits. It's about creating a positive cycle where each small victory builds momentum, making the next step easier and more impactful. These daily habits not only lead to financial success, but also contribute to overall well-being and satisfaction. The role of discipline and persistence. Discipline and persistence are the backbone of these habits. Building wealth and achieving long-term goals require a strong commitment to these principles. Millionaires understand that setbacks and challenges are part of the journey. Instead of getting discouraged, they use these experiences as learning opportunities. This mindset helps them stay focused and continue moving forward, even when progress seems slow. The discipline to stick to their habits and the persistence to push through difficulties set them apart from others. The importance of a positive mindset. A positive mindset is another common trait among self-made millionaires. They approach challenges with a solution-oriented attitude and believe in their ability to overcome obstacles. This positivity not only helps in navigating difficult situations, but also attracts opportunities. A positive outlook can lead to better decision-making, improved relationships, and greater resilience. By maintaining a positive mindset, they are able to stay motivated and keep their focus on their goals. Balancing work and life. While self-made millionaires are known for their dedication to work, they also understand the importance of balance. They prioritize their health, relationships, and personal well-being. This holistic approach ensures that they are not only financially successful, but also happy and fulfilled. They make time for exercise, hobbies, and family, recognizing that these aspects are crucial for long-term success. Balancing work and life helps them maintain their energy and focus, allowing them to perform at their best. Giving back and philanthropy. Many self-made millionaires are also committed to giving back. They believe in the importance of philanthropy and often donate a portion of their wealth to charitable causes. This practice not only helps others, but also provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment. By giving back, they contribute to the well-being of their communities and create a positive impact on the world. Philanthropy is seen as a way to share their success and make a difference in the lives of others. The impact of environment and surroundings. The environment and surroundings play a significant role in the success of self-made millionaires. They often choose to surround themselves with positive, motivated, and successful people. This supportive environment fosters growth, inspiration, and accountability. They are mindful of the influence of their surroundings and make conscious choices to create a space that supports their goals. Whether it's through networking, mentorship, or community involvement, they seek out environments that encourage their growth. Conclusion: start small and stay consistent. So there you have it, the daily habits of self-made millionaires. Remember, it's not about copying someone else's exact routine. It's about finding what works for you and being consistent. Start small, maybe with just one or two of these habits, and gradually build up. Over time, these small changes can lead to significant improvements in your financial and personal life. Consistency, discipline, and a positive mindset are key to making these habits stick. We'd love to hear from you. What daily habits have helped you in your financial journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development and financial success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.